Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough power to avoid interruptions. Once ready, open Settings and use the search box if needed. Type buttons or convenience tools to jump straight to controls. Make sure you know whether your Realme uses gesture navigation or a home button. This affects options you see. Now tap the matching system entry for keys or touch controls, so you can access the tactile feedback and vibration settings without navigating menus blindly. Once inside the relevant controls, look for a vibration or touch feedback subsection. Manufacturers put haptic options there. You might see separate toggles for keyboard, screen touch, and home button. You want the specific home button or navigation key setting, not general vibration. Tap that entry to expose its toggle or submenu. The label may read Home Key Vibration or Navigation Bar Vibration. Pause and confirm you are changing the home button setting, because turning off general vibration would turn the home button vibration toggle off. The change is immediate, so try pressing the home key or area right after to confirm. If it's silent, you're done. Make sure other desired vibrations remain enabled. If vibration persists, restart the phone and recheck the same toggle. As a final tip, clear the settings app cache or check for software updates. Sometimes overlays or third-party launcher settings re-enable haptics. If that fails, mention the model to support for device-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.